Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the power window and power mirror switch on the front driver's door. This video will apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now everything you will need is a pry tool. Now in my case I will be using this plastic one. If you don't have something like that, then you can use a flat screwdriver or anything similar, but in that case you have to be very careful not to damage this plastic or the switch itself. Okay, now this is actually quite easy to do. You will gently approach the switch from this side, pry under it and just pull up. Once this side is out, you will do the same thing on the other side. Also pry it under here and pull up. And that's everything. The switch should completely pop out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand here. Now to completely remove it, you will have a couple of electrical connectors to disconnect. Now one more tip before disconnecting anything, it's always a good idea to disconnect the battery just to make sure there is no any kind of shorts. And once the battery is disconnected, then you can start disconnecting this switch. Okay, now to disconnect these guys, you will have like black tabs here on this side. You see, just want to press onto this tab and pull the connector out. So press here and pull it out. And the small one will be the same thing. Again, a small tab just here to push. So push it and pull out. Yep. Yeah, and that's it. Okay, and I have the replacement part here. Now I've got the aftermarket one online. It was like $35, so not too bad. And I will just plug it in to see if it works. Okay, so now it's plugged in. And also one more tip, it's a good idea just to test all of the windows and the power mirrors and the door locks before you insert the switch back in, because in case something is not working, then you will have to pull it out again, right? Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.